We selected Pagesi because we needed a custom look in a large umbrella, and Pagesi was able to deliver that for us. From the very beginning, Pagesi provided us with personalized service from the moment we sat down for our first consultation. Then they were able to produce renderings that helped us visualize exactly what we were purchasing. One of the best things about Pagesi is they make a big statement from the water, from the air, from the moment you pull into our parking lot.
Everything in the umbrella is customized. We customize the color of the structures. We customize the canopies. We customize the accessories on the umbrellas.
We have 25 by 25 foot umbrellas. We can have a single person open up 6 umbrellas for our entire event lawn in a matter of about 10 minutes.
Making the customer's life easier is what we are known for. In a commercial setting or in a residential setting, installation is extremely simple. It's a bolt-down base. We'll just have to anchor the base to the ground and the umbrella goes right on top of it. It's probably anywhere between 15 minutes to an hour to install an umbrella.
The warranty is one thing that drew us to Pagesi, and their warranty far exceeds any of the competitors we looked at. Sailfish Marine would definitely recommend Pagesi umbrellas. They've met all of our needs for size. They were able to match the colors that we needed, and we get amazing compliments on them almost daily.